Greetings Google Ads advertisers, welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how you can instantly stop a lot of Google Ads display invalid or spam traffic that are costing you a lot of money when you are displaying your ads on these spammy websites all around the world. So here is a list of 100,000 plus Google Ads exclusion that you want to avoid in order to stop these invalid or bot or spam traffic. And this is a 100% free list. So you go to this link right here, I'll leave it down below. It is absolutely free, there's nothing to buy. You enter your email to get started, and I've already done that. And here's my list that they will send you. This is a simple Excel CSV file that includes website placement, or these are spam websites, mobile apps that are spammy, and these YouTube channel. So here's an example. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see here's some of these spammy websites. So you can see the placement URL, and then the traffic quality rating, the audience type, the language, and the IP address. So these are sites that you can just copy. You can copy the entire list of 100,000 and then just import it to your Google AdWords exclusion list. And you can do this exclusion list by trial and error, or you can just download this entire list of 100,000 and just add it, import it to your Google Ads account. And let's check out the mobile apps. So these are apps that are spammy, and here are YouTube channels to some of the keywords. Is it a kids channel? So you want to probably exclude those for invalid clicks. So download the entire list. I will leave the links down below. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on internet marketing. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.